Welcome to the next lesson, Critical ManyChat Features. And in this lesson, we're going to cover important ManyChat features and how to use them, including audiences and tags, growth tools, broadcasts, flows, and automation sequences. So tags allow you to keep your subscriber list organized. Growth tools are an entry point to your subscriber list. Broadcasts allow you to message your subscriber list in bulk. Flows are a pre-written set of interactive, automated messages that are delivered via Facebook Messenger. And you had your first experience with flows in the last lesson when we set up our default reply. Sequences, possibly the most complicated and hardest to understand, are rules that trigger flows at a specific time or when the user takes a specific action. Now let's dive into ManyChat and have a look at each one of these features. So on our ManyChat dashboard, we're presented with some quick and easy reports that give us a snapshot of how our ManyChat subscriber list is performing. For the given date range, which we can configure here at the top, we can see how many subscribers we've gained, how many subscribers we've lost because they've unsubscribed, and what the net gain on subscribers is. The unsubscribes is a really good indication of whether we're aligned and connecting with our target audience or not. As we come down the page, we then get some basic demographic information such as the primary language our subscribers speak, and the gender. If we head over to audience, this is where we manage our subscriber list. Now, a very powerful feature of ManyChat that we're going to use moving forward are tags. We can create unlimited variations of tags. Really, it's left to your own imagination of the different ways we can take this. Examples of this might be tagging which country the subscribers come from, which competition they entered through, which products we know they've purchased before. And by using tags, we keep our subscriber list really organized, and it allows us to create buckets known as segments of subscribers for future marketing campaigns. So we might create a campaign promoting our second product to subscribers that we know have purchased our first product. And we do that because we tag all of our subscribers that have purchased that first product with a specific tag, such as taco holder. And then we might target all of those subscribers that have the tags taco holder with a message offering them a discount on our second and new product. There is also a powerful filtering option here that allows us to sort of show the subscribers in various different ways, from the tags that they have, the sequences they're currently subscribed to, any growth tools or widgets they came through, specific ads they opted in through. So in a later lesson, we're going to use Facebook advertising to gain subscribers. And with ManyChat's new integration, we can actually show all of the subscribers that came through a specific ad. And that's very powerful for creating very targeted and specific marketing messages. And then there's also further options like time zone, language, gender. Now, these aren't 100% accurate, but it's a really nice way as we expand into more markets when we grow this business. So maybe we're selling in the USA and we're selling in Germany and the UK. We can use this segmenting here to pull out all of our subscribers from the UK or pull out all of our subscribers from Germany, for example. So very powerful filtering options. Finally, there is a search bar that allows you to search for a specific subscriber's name. So if I type Rich, as you can see, I only have one subscriber right now, and that is Mr. Rich Henderson. So if I type Rich and hit enter on my keyboard, it would then present me with all the subscribers that have the name Rich Henderson. Now, there are more features here like bulk actions, so you can add and remove tags in bulk for certain subscribers. The purpose of what we need to launch our product on Amazon and build our subscriber list, these are the main features that you're going to use within the audience section of ManyChat. The next feature is live chat. Now, this is where you can manage the open conversations with subscribers on your ManyChat list. You will also see these messages appear within your Facebook Messenger inbox of your Facebook brand page. I like to use the live chat feature within ManyChat because it has more powerful features, such as being able to assign conversations to a team member or mark conversations complete. So it's a really nice, organized way of managing those conversations. Growth tools. These are entry points to your subscriber list. Now, there are many different types of growth tools, from boxes that we can place on our website, live customer chat widgets, plain URLs, so we can generate a link that links to a specific flow and then publish that link on the internet. We're going to be using growth tools in future lessons, but think of them as an entry point to your subscriber list. Next is broadcasts. So broadcasts are where we create messages that we can send to many people. So we could create a new broadcast and send it to our entire subscriber list, or we could create a broadcast and send it to subscribers that have a specific tag. So again, I used the example of maybe promoting our second product to subscribers that we know have purchased our first product. So I could create a broadcast, select that tag, and that message would only go to those subscribers with that tag. We'll be using broadcasts in future lessons to distribute coupon codes as we launch our product. Automation. Now, this is the most complicated area of ManyChat, but possibly the most powerful. And the feature that you need to be aware of is sequences. The best way to think about sequences is they are a predetermined set of rules that can be activated based on a subscriber's action. So let's say we follow up with a subscriber asking if they received a product. They click the yes button because we include a button within our flow. We can then activate a sequence that sends them another flow 5 days later asking them for an Amazon review. So sequences are a set of rules that we can activate based on the user's action. And finally, flows. Now, you had your first interaction with flows when we configured the default reply in the last lesson. So as you know, flows are a predetermined set of interactive messages that have buttons and various different actions attached to them that are delivered via Facebook Messenger to your subscriber. So we're going to have flows that follow up with our subscribers and ask them for an Amazon review. We're going to have flows that deliver a competition result. Flows can be infinitely created, and there is a nice feature within here called folders that allows us to keep our flows organized. Because as we build out our audience within ManyChat and build out our subscriber list, we're going to go into hundreds of different flows. So we're going to categorize them and keep them nicely organized within folders so that as we scale the business and scale the brand and add team members, everyone's on the same page and no one gets confused. So in this lesson, we covered important ManyChat features, including audiences and tags to keep our subscriber list organized, growth tools, which are an entry point to our subscriber list, broadcasts, which allow us to send one message to many people, flows, which are a predetermined set of interactive messages that can be triggered at any time, and automation sequences, which are a set of rules that are activated based on subscribers' actions. In the next lesson, we're going to cover building a subscriber list for launch. I'll see you there.